Hello, in this video I will show how to machine grooves in SprutCAM. So we want to machine this groove on this kind of machine. Okay, first step, creating the new operation, lathe contouring. Next step, select the tool holder. Okay, make the machine invisible. Next step, define the grooving tool. Select. Okay, this is the point, tooltip point. Okay, so next step, go to job assignment and click grooving. Now we can see preview of toolpath. Take and move end point and start point. Calculating the toolpath. Go to simulation. Expand toolpath. Toolpath contains rough passes and finish passes. Rough passes is this one. And finish passes. Well, it's possible to change any parameters of this cycle. Select it and click Properties. Okay. We can disable rough or finish passes. For example, select rough passes only, and there is no, or enable finish passes only, or select both. We can change any stock value. We can change, for example, radial stock or axial stock and so on, or profile stock. We can edit profile, for example. We can take and drag the source profile. We can undo the changes. Well, it's possible to define the step of machining. It's possible to define, for example, don't use cycles and use overlap on don't use overlap. We can set multi-layer mode to machine by 2 layers. Let's look on the result. Calculating, go to simulation. Go to after approach. Well, make machine visible. First layer. And second layer. And finish passes. Thank you for your attention.